Hi everybody, this is Brendan with Allied Builders. I'm here to just give you the July construction update. So for the past couple of weeks, we've been working on preparing curbs and sidewalks for the new drive aisle paving. We actually performed our last concrete pour yesterday for curbs. So we're just cleaning up and stripping those forms today. And the next scope of work for the drive aisle will be grading the base course and preparing for the asphalt that we have scheduled to pour on July 29th, Monday. So that's a big milestone for us that we're all looking forward to. You can hear in the background, we're also actually demolishing an old concrete wall and preparing the excavation for the new Learning Commons building too. So this week we've been excavating a lot of dirt, and we're gonna start laying out and excavating footings so the concrete subcontractor can start forming and preparing for pouring the footings, which is what the building is built on as we come up vertically through the ground. So very excited, and we're looking forward to wrapping up this first phase of work and showing you guys all what we've been up to. Stay tuned for the update at the end of the month, where we'll be showing you guys a preview of the new drive aisle and what the drop-off and pickup routine will be for the upcoming school year. Aloha.